Welcome back to the railroad, everyone. Today's video is for those of you that wish to operate some of Brent Stuvlin's engines. I will tell you the type of RC that's in each engine, the type and placement of batteries, whether it has a sound system, and the little nuances such as where the switches are located. So, in today's video, we are going to cover. Okay, so this is a Bachmann Spectrum 3-truck 55-ton Shay. It's 120.3 scale, and let's have a look-see. You want to be careful in unboxing this one. Okay. So this one has been marked front and top. There we are. This comes in 2 units, so you can remove the tender with your third truck separately from the engine. Okay, and you need to be careful not to damage anything. Okay, next on the list we have a Bachmann Spectrum 3-truck Shay. Now this has been converted again to train engineer. It also has a Phoenix sound card in it, and it has batteries included. They are nickel metal hydrides. They're running two 7.2 nickel metal hydrides in the tender here. Here's your on-off switch. Inside the cab is your speaker volume switch. Underneath the unit is your plug-in for your Phoenix sound card to adjust it. And let's have a look at this thing running. Not that I think it's going to tip over, but I don't like it coming close to the edges. Okay. Now let's take a look at the sounds. There it goes. Blow down. So I'm not sure how long the batteries will last on this, but it is made so that you can plug a battery car in and use a optional battery. That plug-in is located here at the rear of the tender. It's hard to see, it's through this area in here. It's one of the 2.5 millimeter power jacks. So number 1 is your bell. 2 is your whistle. 3 is blow down. Oh, and the water spout, of course, comes around to fill. So, power switch off. So when you disconnect, you lift the tender off. The coupler will come undone for your universal and pull the power plug out very gently. You have to be careful with these because these break very easily. And the power plug is right in there to charge it up. I've used this unit to tow not only by the coupler, but to tow by the pin towing unit. This is a good strong puller also.